Have you ever wondered how far artificial intelligence has come and where it's headed? As we journey into the 21st century, we find ourselves in an era where artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept in science fiction. It's a reality, shaping our world in ways we could hardly have imagined. It's in our phones, our cars, even our homes, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live, work, and play. AI's potential seems limitless, yet it's a field that's constantly evolving. From simple tasks to complex algorithms, AI is proving to be more than just a tool, but a game changer. As we continue to push its boundaries, we begin to ask, what can it truly do? How far can it go? Understanding its capabilities is crucial in fully realizing its potential and in navigating our AI-driven future. So, join us as we dive into the world of AI and explore the capabilities of different AI systems. To appreciate the differences in AI systems, we first need to understand what AI is. AI, or artificial intelligence, is essentially the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. The idea of AI is not a new one. It traces its roots back to ancient history, with myths and stories filled with artificial beings endowed with intelligence or consciousness by master craftsmen. But the modern field of AI research was born in the mid-20th century, during a conference at Dartmouth College in 1956. Since then, it has grown exponentially, evolving from simple algorithms to complex machine learning and deep learning systems. In its current state, AI has become an integral part of our everyday lives. It's in the technology we use, the healthcare we receive, the financial services we rely on, and so much more. It's the voice-activated virtual assistant in your smartphone, the recommendation algorithms of your favorite streaming services, the fraud detection system in your bank, and the medical diagnostic tools in hospitals. In technology, AI powers the search engines that provide us with the information we need, the autonomous vehicles that promise a future of self-driving cars, and the drones that deliver your packages. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. In finance, AI enhances customer experiences, manages risks, and detects fraudulent activities. AI is not just about creating machines that can act and think like humans. It's about augmenting our capabilities, enhancing our efficiency, and solving complex problems that we, as humans, find challenging. It's about creating systems that can learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. But AI is a broad field with various systems and technologies under its umbrella. Each of these systems has different capabilities, strengths, and weaknesses. They are designed for specific tasks and applications, and their effectiveness and efficiency can vary significantly. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI, let's delve into the different AI systems and their capabilities. First on our list is machine learning, the AI system that learns from experience. Machine learning is like a brain for computers. It's a type of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to learn and improve from experience. Unlike traditional programming, where we explicitly tell a computer what to do, machine learning allows a system to learn and make decisions on its own. Consider it as a kid learning how to ride a bike. Initially, they struggle to balance, but with time, they learn from their mistakes and eventually master the skill. In a similar way, machine learning algorithms use data to train and improve over time. From predicting weather to recommending movies on Netflix, machine learning is now an integral part of our daily lives. It's making our emails smarter, our homes more efficient, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. Machine learning has revolutionized many industries, but it's just one of the many AI systems out there. Next, we have natural language processing, the AI system that understands and generates human language. This fascinating branch of artificial intelligence is designed to interact with human language in a way that closely mirrors our own understanding and usage. It's the technology behind your voice-activated virtual assistant, the translator that breaks down language barriers, and the chatbot that assists you on various websites. Natural language processing, often abbreviated as NLP, is the driving force behind these applications, enabling them to understand, interpret, respond to, and even generate human language in a meaningful way. It's not just about comprehending words, but also grasping the context, the sentiment, and the nuances that come with human communication. NLP's widespread use in translating languages, speech recognition, sentiment analysis, and many other areas illustrates its immense potential. It's a bridge between machines and humans, enabling us to communicate in our native tongues. Natural language processing brings AI closer to humans, but there's more to AI than just understanding language. Moving on, we have neural networks, the AI system that mimics the human brain. Now, you might be wondering, how does an AI system mimic our brain? Well, neural networks are designed to recognize patterns, much like our brains do. They interpret sensory data through a kind of machine perception, labeling or clustering raw input. Just as our brain uses neurons to process information, neural networks use nodes. They're interconnected like a web, each node receiving input from others, and deciding what to send along. Each node learns from mistakes, adjusting its own output based on the error it made. From diagnosing diseases to powering self-driving cars, neural networks have a wide array of uses. They give AI the ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions just like us humans. Neural networks make AI more human-like, but it's not the last AI system we're discussing today. Last but not least, we have deep learning, the AI system that takes learning to a whole new level. Now let's delve into this fascinating world of deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that employs algorithms to model high-level abstractions in data. But what does that mean exactly? Well, in simpler terms, deep learning can learn and improve on its own, by examining and interpreting patterns from large amounts of data. Imagine a toddler learning about the world. At first, they might not understand what they see, but as they grow and experience more, they start recognizing patterns and making sense of the world. That's deep learning in a nutshell. It's like giving a computer the ability to learn from experience. The secret sauce of deep learning is its use of layered neural networks. These networks mimic the human brain's structure and function, allowing the system to learn from data in a more nuanced and complex way. Each layer of the network processes a piece of information, and all the layers work together to make accurate predictions or decisions. But where is deep learning used? Well, it's everywhere. From voice assistants like Alexa and Siri that understand and respond to your commands, to self-driving cars that interpret road signs and avoid obstacles, deep learning is making our lives easier and safer. It's also revolutionizing industries. In healthcare, it's used to detect diseases in early stages with a higher accuracy than ever before. In finance, it's helping to predict market trends and make smarter investment decisions. Yet, despite these advances, deep learning is not without its challenges. It requires a large amount of data and significant computational power. It's also not always transparent, making it difficult to understand why it made a certain decision. Deep learning might be the most advanced AI system we have today, but the world of AI is always evolving. So, who knows what exciting developments we'll see in the future? Stay tuned to find out. We've come a long way in our exploration of AI systems. We've pondered over the vast potential that artificial intelligence holds, and how it's not just a buzzword, but a technology that's already having a profound impact on our lives. We've dived into understanding AI, unraveling its complexities and appreciating its potential. We've seen how it's more than just a computer program, but a system that can learn, adapt, and even think in ways that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. We've explored machine learning, a subset of AI that's all about making systems learn from experience. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike. You don't program each movement, but let them learn from trial and error until they get it right. Then we ventured into the realm of natural language processing, where AI systems comprehend, interpret, and generate human language. It's like having a conversation with a machine that understands not just what you're saying, but also the nuances and context of the conversation. We've taken a deep dive into neural networks, a model inspired by the human brain. This is where AI starts to resemble human thinking, with layers of neurons processing information and making decisions. And we've delved into deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. It's like an AI system that can not only learn to play chess, but also devise new strategies and beat world champions. So you see, AI is more than just a tool. It's an extension of our intellect, a companion in problem solving, and a catalyst for innovation. It's a journey of discovery, exploration, and learning that we're all part of. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, who knows what fascinating capabilities we'll discover next.